on, Rigby Artho here. Can you hear that? Exactly. It's too quiet. Chris has took the kids out with him to his dad's, and I'm at home and I'm like, I can hear every little teeny sound in like the radiators and even though the radiators aren't on, I don't even know what I'm hearing, but it's like a really, really small, minute sound. I can hear everything, and I'm like, it's way too quiet in here. I'm hearing the sounds that I don't usually hear, like the stuff that's in the flat that just makes minute little noises. I'm like, it's too quiet. Anyway, this is the update. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and toodaloo, mofos.